This is a short excerpt from Learn to Draw, a new online course from my Atelier, Mandy Boursicot Atelier, that's now available for pre-sale. This section is the construction of a Chianti bottle in the third section of this course, and it's all about form. We start with the blocking and the shapes, and then the articulation and refining of shapes, in particular drawing that sphere of the bottom part of the Chianti bottle, and then the shoulders, and then the neck of that bottle. Lastly, we have the base, and for this we're going to start drawing in our ellipses. Ellipses are tricky things, so we take our time drawing them in, and that's in the base. There's another ellipse at the top of the basket area of the bottle, and then we squeeze the bottle in a little bit so that it's a little bit narrower than the basket itself. And of course we've got the top in the neck, the lip of the bottle, and then we refine and define our contours and our smaller shapes, including the joint of the bottle and the basket. And lastly, we'll tidy up using an eraser, tidying up all those construction lines that we no longer need, the backs of ellipses that aren't necessarily visible in a finished drawing. And there we have it. We have the construct of a bottle that includes the forms of a sphere, a cylinder, and a cone. I hope you enjoyed this excerpt from Learn to Draw and that you'll join me for this online course.